Come on, sit next to me. Try to feel like coffee. Take my hand and try to feel the blood rushing through my veins. Time and the hour rush through the roughest day. Come what come may, come what come may. No time to waste, no feelings to feel. Again in front of the danger, you and my face, and my face, and my a part of me and you gone forever. This night dark and cold, I cannot see no colors around anymore. Oh, it's night, the very dead of midnight, and here we are between dark and light. Halfway between of us.